Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. This video I have made it, few months back also. It's been around, 10 to 12, 10 to 11 months before I also have made this video. And this video is targeting towards your preparation tips for the CMA examination. Now, if suppose you're planning for your CMA examination, I'm shooting this video today. I guess it's 7th of October here. Now, 7th of October, it means that you have time. November, December, you can give the examination in January or February. Now, if you start today, even today, if you start with your CMA preparation, you can give your examination in the month of February somewhere. Now, how can you do it in the very first try? What should be the method which you need to apply to learn and complete the CMA at the earliest? Now, I'm talking about one part. Now, when I say one part here, is because most of you students would be working or having different assignments which you need to complete or different work which you are doing already. So it's always suggested go slow, one by one. Though in my videos I keep telling that if you are doing nothing, then you can give 2 parts in an attempt also. But take it easy, take it slow, take it as per your pace. Okay, give one part at a time and try completing it. Now, when I say here one part at a time, what you need to do is nothing but in every part. Okay, part 1 there are 6 sections, part 2 there are 6 sections again. What you need to do is nothing but first try studying section wise. Take one section at a time, then another section, then another section, then another section. And once you do that section, go through preparation of that content first. Once you go reading with that particular content, then do the MCQs of it. Now, when I say doing MCQs, it's not that solving those MCQs, trying to get it right at the first try. Don't do that. You're doing those MCQs so that you understand that what type of MCQs are going to come in your examination. Now, when you do that, then you'll have a proper grip and then go back towards the study text and try reading it properly so that you understand that, okay, this is how the examination is expected. Questions in examination can be like this. Let me prepare it accordingly. And believe me, in the first time when you're practicing it, you will find huge difficulty. You will get your answers wrong. You will have difficulty that why am I doing it? Is it really worth for me or not doing this particular qualification? I'm not even getting 40 to 50% marks of the questions which I'm taking. This will be your mindset which you will be having at that time. But believe me, that's the first thing. Ab jaise ki dekho if you are starting to paddle a cycle, in the second time, it will be a bit difficult, but once you are in the flow, it will be easy for you. The same thing, you are just getting started up, and CMA is a professional qualification. It's not that easy. You need to get 72% to pass. Okay. Now, when you need to get 72% to pass, it's like, more than a better score, much more better than a better score, which you need to get just to pass. So what is suggested is nothing but be steady, be consistent, and keep on doing your practice questions and your your content. You need to go through it. And then I would suggest everyone to go through mock examination. Not mock examinations, complete all big mock examination. Don't do that. Go section by section, unit by unit. And in fact, if you guys are interested, if you guys want to know or want to give more mock examinations section by section, then you can reach out to us. That's available as a service from CMAtutor.in. You can reach out to us. We can give you mock examinations section by section and also big time mock examination on our application itself. If you're interested to know about it, if you're independent, if you're just doing CMA, if you're having your examination next week or next, your January, February intake, window, you're having the examination, you can come up, do mock examinations here and then give your examination. You can get some feedback sessions also from us. So that's something which is open. You guys need to take benefit out of it. The point here again is put down your time in content, put down your time in MCQs, and then give mocks, revise it again and again. Your revision should be there on a regular basis. See, it's not like, you sit in today, you start today. Maybe on day 1, you'll not be able to give, your complete 2 to 3 hours in a day. You will not be able to do that. What you need to do is start slow, start small, and then slowly increase your pace. If you increase your pace, what will happen is then eventually you will add on with your, eventually you will be getting 70 to 80% in marks in your practice sessions only. And if you get those marks, you're going to get those marks in the main examination also, and you will be able to complete the CMA at the earliest. I hope that this video helps you. And if you're new to this channel and if you've watched this video till here, then make sure that you like this video. Come on, I'm doing a lot of content creation for you CMA students. Like this video, and for more content related with CMA, subscribe to this channel. And if you have more queries about it, what jobs, how to apply and all that stuff, put it down in the comment section. I'll help you out over there. All right, thank you very much.